In this video, I will show you how to see who liked you on OkCupid. Open the app and at the bottom of the screen, you will see a tab labeled Likes. This is right next to Discover. Tap on that. You will see an option that says See Who Likes You. But here's the thing. To actually view the list, you will need to upgrade to OkCupid Premium. You will be shown different subscription options. You can get 1 month for 629 Philippine pesos, 3 months for 1,250 Philippine pesos, or 6 months for 1,890 Philippine pesos. Once you pick a plan, just confirm your payment and you will unlock the feature instantly. And that's it. You will be able to see everyone who's already liked you. No more guessing, just match and message right away.